In today's video, I will walk you through how to change font in Claude AI. To begin, look at the top left corner of the screen. If the sidebar is not already open, click the icon in the top left corner to open it. Once the sidebar is visible, move down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile. After opening your profile options, click on Settings. You will now be taken to the Settings page. Stay in the General category and look for the Preferences section. In the Preferences section, find the option for Chat Font. Click the drop-down menu next to Chat Font. You should then see the available font options. Select the font you want to use in Claude. As soon as you select a font, the interface should update so you can see how the new font looks in your chats. You can select a different option from the Chat Font menu if you want to compare the available fonts and choose the one you prefer. Once you have selected your preferred font, the change is complete. And that is how to change the font in Claude AI. Just open the sidebar from the top left corner if it is not already visible. Then click on your profile in the bottom left corner. From there, select Settings. Stay in the General category and locate the Preferences section. Then find the Chat Font option and click its drop-down menu. Choose the font you want to use, and the interface should update to reflect your selection. You can continue selecting the available font options until you find the one you want. After selecting your preferred font, there are no additional steps required. Your chat font has now been changed in Claude AI. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.